Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your go-to destination for honest, in-depth, and exciting automotive content. Whether you're into classic legends, modern marvels, or futuristic electric beasts, we bring it all right here. Today we're diving into a true American classic reborn with a modern twist, the 2025 Ford F100 Vintage. The Ford F100 holds a special place in American automotive history. It was the working man's truck, the weekend cruiser, and the garage-kept pride of many families for generations. Now in 2025, Ford brings back the F100 as a modern vintage masterpiece, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the 2025 Ford F100 looks like it drove straight out of the golden era of pickups. It retains its iconic boxy silhouette, round headlights, and classic grille that pays homage to the original mid-century design. The body is beautifully sculpted with retro charm, but Ford has updated the materials with high-strength aluminum and lightweight composites to improve efficiency without losing its rugged appeal. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The 2025 F100 is all electric, powered by Ford's latest EV platform. Don't let the vintage looks fool you. This truck packs a punch. The dual electric motors deliver instant torque and surprising acceleration, while offering an impressive range of over 300 miles on a full charge. It's a nod to the past with its styling, but firmly rooted in the future with zero emissions and whisper-quiet performance. Inside the cabin, Ford strikes a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. The dashboard features retro-inspired knobs and switches, blended with a modern digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system. You'll find classic bench seating wrapped in premium leather, vintage trim detailing, and hidden tech like wireless charging and voice-activated controls. Ford hasn't forgotten about practicality either. The F100 comes with a functional bed that maintains its classic proportions, but adds smart features like built-in power outlets and a modular storage system. The front trunk adds extra cargo space, something that was never part of the original F100, but fits seamlessly into the new electric setup. Driving the 2025 F100 is a unique experience. It handles with modern refinement thanks to an upgraded suspension and advanced stability systems, but you still feel connected to the road like you would in a vintage ride. It's smooth, silent, and surprisingly quick, offering the best of both worlds, heritage and high-tech. For collectors, classic truck fans, and EV lovers alike, the 2025 Ford F100 Vintage Edition is a dream come true. It proves that the past and future don't have to be at odds. They can coexist beautifully in one exceptional machine. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you love vehicles that tell a story and bring innovation with legacy, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more epic rides every week. Stay tuned, and as always, stay ride ready.